Nah, bro, that's crazy, bro. Yo, it's so much brighter. As you see, it is literally sparkling right now. Hey y'all, so this is gonna be like the little start clip. We had got a brand that sponsors us by the name of Auxito, you see right here, and they gave us the opportunity to review these lights and do like not really an installation video, but an installation video. And I'm gonna show you how to do it. I'm gonna show you what they look like from the difference from halogens. This is the first, or the whole conversion kit. So they'll send you the whole conversion kit, and all basically it is still plug and play. It's just you got the whole converter, power converter, or I think it is. Instead of just the bulb, you know what I'm saying, the bulb, and you plug it in straight to the bulb. You actually have a wire to plug it into. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all the next clip. You're gonna see me unboxing it, and yeah. All right, y'all, so we just unboxed it. This is what it looks like out the package, or the wrap. We got high brightness, easy to install.
You 1
millisecond, one tenth of a second. 0.01 second quick start, fast heat dissipation, and off-road. It says Y19. I don't really know what this joint means, but you can see all the shit right there. As I said before, I'm gonna leave the link to this exact one in the description below so y'all can get this exact one. But we're gonna go ahead and open it, and I'm gonna show y'all what it look like. All right, y'all, we in this bitch. We about to
repairing this location should take no time at all for Marlton
projects.
looks like it'd be easy, but I gotta read the instruction manual to see what this is for. But all right, I'm gonna see y'all. I'm gonna show y'all when I get back out there. I'm gonna tell y'all what to do. Like, the gloves is kind of hard though. Did I get 3? I just got 2. But all right, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all. This is the bright lights. Stop right now. This is what it look like. I didn't think they'd be like just like bright. Okay, this is what it look like if I'm like showing across from me. Not too bad, not too shabby, but we got the new Jones right here. I'm gonna show y'all. All right, y'all, I low-key kind of got to work a little bit, but I didn't get too far. It's really simple. Let me grab the box. I like the box though. The packaging is real nice. It looks aesthetic. That side is the easiest. Passenger side is the easiest because obviously there's no intake and stuff in the way. But really all you want to do is take that bolt out and then, you know what I'm saying, unscrew this. That way you could just take your airbox out real quick. Just slide that thing off. I might be a little lazy and I don't want to unhook this, but I might have to because it's like right in the way. And I got to get y'all, let me stop being lazy. I got to get y'all a good representation of what's going on. Hey y'all, let me know in the comments below if I should get a cold air intake too. But now this big old thing is open. You can see basically everything. This is the high beam, that's the low beam, and it's the turn signal. So basically what you want to do is just pull that out, like push the little pin. See if I got it out already, but I'll do it again for y'all. So it's in there, like you're not getting it nowhere, and then you just take this. You can stick a little flathead in there and like pry it up a little bit. But I just grabbed it with my fingers and like pushed it down. And then that comes out. Set that to the side. Turn it. wiggle it. Boom, there go your HighBeam. Set that to the side. I would use the gloves, but I ain't gonna lie. I fuck with those gloves, bro. Them hoes is kind of hard. They feel good. Like, I might have to use these for another. Oh, damn, I just got it dirty. I might have to use it because, like, y'all know me. I'll be working on this bitch daily. You feel me? Not daily, but, like, as much as I can. Them gloves might come in useful because I got a whole bunch of scars. Not a lot, for real, but, you know what I'm saying? I'll be getting scars and shit. You know how it be working on your own shit. That's gonna come in handy. So y'all get y'all a pair, you're gonna get you some gloves and shit. You feel me? You're gonna rock out. Not getting no nicks and no scratches and nothing like that. But, oh yeah, one more thing I wanted to ask y'all. Do y'all like when I have, or like the engine covers on the 5.7s or any Hemi really? I don't know how I feel about it. Like, I feel like it's so big. I mean, it's cool, but like, I low-key like just having that motherfucker off, you feel me? Being able to look at my whole shit and see what's going on, really. I don't like having to see that, like, take it off. And I just got basically another thing to carry with me. Like, I hate carrying shit. I have so much shit on me at all times, and that shit sucks. So, I just realized one thing that's going on with my whip. I think it's my high-speed fan, or whatever fan this one is on the driver's side. Ain't turning on. This one click on. Oh my god, that one clicks on. That one doesn't turn on, and it's hard to move. So I think the motor's blown on this John. Yeah, this one's so easy to move. Yeah, the motor's definitely blown on that John. But let me get a new one, try and go to pick and pull and get a new one. Hopefully that one works. But yeah, y'all, we're gonna get this in. Let me show y'all how to do it. It's plug and play, and most of the time, 9 times out of 10, it's already set for like vehicles. Like sometimes like those there's screws. See them screws? I think those are the screws. Yeah, those screws right there. You get an Allen key with it, and basically you unscrew it a little bit and you adjust the beam so you can see like you can basically not customize it, but customize it and like see where it goes. Let me see if I can get a good angle.
Bruh. 10 hours later.
I just do it one-handed, bro. Basically, you take it and you line up the little things right here, them little 3. These things right here on the ends. You line those up with the previous ones. See what I'm saying? Tighten it. And then these are what the cable ties is for. Let me go get them cable ties real quick. I'm gonna take this in the back. Basically, you just plug it in, and then I'm probably just gonna cable these all together like this, just so that they're all like tucked out of the way, like this. Let me give y'all actually what it looks like first. Show y'all the difference between the two. That's really what I wanted to do. All right, let's see if we can see the difference right now. Nah, bro, that's crazy, bro.
Oh my god! Wow!
Yo, it's so much brighter. Oh my god. Lord, oh Lord. You see how they're tinted, right? Basically, the person who did it before me tinted them, or like, you know, the headlight unit. And I was like trying to see how bright it would be like with the tint. And bro, as you see, it is literally sparkling right now. Like, look at this compared to this. Like, you can just tell. I mean, the camera, you know, it don't really tell on the camera, but like, bro, I'm lit all the way up. What the heck? I'm lit all the way up. You could tell. If I could show y'all the distance with only one, this is what it's looking like. It's pretty noticeable difference. Let me go on this side. Like, I'm obviously gonna give y'all some driving clips too, but as you can see, this side only goes this far. You know what I'm saying? Like, you don't even see it on the truck. You see everything on that side. Bada bing, bada boom, one done. Time to put the other one in and zip tie that one. But I definitely recommend this, y'all, especially if you have tinted headlights or like dark ass headlights, because my shit was so fucking dark. But yeah, so let's tie this up. Right there. So as y'all can see, basically the way to tell, I'm gonna show you on this side too, which bulb is which. So the one right there, that is the low beam. On the left side of your washer fluid, the closest to the passenger door is your low beam. This right here, that is your, what's it called? Your blinker. That is your high beam. Just take this clip out down here, pull, push. Now we're out. Pull on it down. We're unplugged now. Turn counterclockwise. And then pull it out. Wiggle it. Should come out. Boom. Nice and easy. Grab the new John. Find a way to get your fingers in there. Like the other side, line it up with the locking tabs. And then righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. You guys know. The way to tell if it's lined up, y'all, it should just fall into place. Like, if you're sitting here turning on it, like, okay, you see how it's like up right now? And then if I like turn it a little bit to the left, it kind of seats in. You want to push in on it and turn it to the right. See what I'm saying? So let me do it again. So let me take it out. Y'all remember to wiggle on it too now. Get it out, push it in, make sure it's seated, push in, and then turn. And then turn, lock it in place. Make sure it's locked in place, do a little wiggle checks, and then boom, you should be good. Plug our wires in. Hopefully y'all can see what I'm doing. So this is the cord plug in, or whatever you call it. Boom, snap that in place. So now these are all connected. So I want to tie this all up together. And before we give you out a big review, I want to say huge shout out to Auxito, man. They got your boy right. The headlights, or the lead, at least off the one light I seen, it's a game changer completely. Like, I'm gonna be able to see at night now. I'm actually kind of like, I'm hella happy. This is a game changer. I hope you can see or tell on camera how much brighter it is. Y'all go and order y'all one. I hope this video showed y'all the difference between halogens and LEDs. The difference is huge.
NN.
It is absolutely insane. Auxito changed the game real life for your boy, because now I can see. I'm gonna leave a code to the exact ones that I have in the description below, so y'all can get it for y'all Chrysler, or I'm sure it's the same for Chargers. Y'all can order that below, and y'all get y'all a little discount code. I got a discount code too. It is GHOST. So y'all click that link, put the little discount code in, and y'all get y'all a little discount and get yourself right, man. Y'all be able to see at night, see in any kind of weather, go off-road and go do whatever you want, man. Auxito got you, I'm telling you. So we're about to show y'all. Oh my God, bro. You can just tell by like that. Oh my goodness. I'm bright as a bitch. Now I'm gonna be blinding people. But now I'm able to see all the way up there when I was only able to see like right there. That shit's crazy. Like I said before though, big shout out to Auxito. But yeah, man, these are that's the light install. These hoes bright as a bitch now. I don't even want to look at them, bro. It's making my eyes hurt. I got that whole crib lit up, bro. I apologize. Basically it for the video, or at least for this part of the video. These are the HighBeams, y'all. These are the old HighBeams. This is before I got them. I haven't even gotten them in yet. But this is what it looks like.
Fucking deafening, bruh.
As you guys know, my headlights are tinted. Whoever had the car before me tinted them, and it is hard to see. For reference, guys, this is my low beam right here. Let's see if it changes. All right, let's go. This is the low beam here, guys, and this is the high beam.
Holy shit.
And there's a turn coming that I did not see. All right, guys. Just wanted to show y'all what it looked like from my point of view right now. We'll give you guys the other point of view whenever they come in. All right, y'all. So we're gonna get her reaction to the lights. Hold on, let's see. Boom.
Oh, damn.
Like, that shit's crazy. That shit's
wild.
I'm gonna let y'all see how it looks. Get y'all a little bit of footage while I'm driving it. Just for like reference, like my high beams and my low beams were kind of the same before, but like you can see that house. I can't see shit now. You know what I'm saying? Like, just, you feel me? Like, that shit's crazy. Like, I dead ass can blind people now. But these headlights are absolutely insane. Y'all see up there how it's lit up? Bro. Yo, nah, bro, that's crazy. That's so crazy. All right, y'all. So this is low beam right here. That's high beam.
Period.
Yo, that's crazy.
Whoa, man. Oh my god. You see how far that shit is?
Look, by the grass is lit up. Damn.
Welcome to McDonald's. Can I take your order, please?
Alright, y'all, I'm about to turn the high beams on so y'all can get another point of view. This is a little bit of a darker lit area. Okay, hold on. Another thing, y'all. Y'all make sure y'all keep y'all cooling up, bro. I just filled mine up. Hey, bro, it's almost New Year's. It's fucking the 31st. It's New Year's Eve. It's New Year's Eve, y'all. Hey, what time is it?
Fucking, I don't know. I don't have a phone.
Hey, it's currently 9:12. We got a couple hours left till the ball drops and shit, till it's 2025 and shit. Hard. I just want y'all to know I love y'all this year, and I'ma love y'all next year. Hey, it's fucking New Year!
First I go whip out the bow. No, I can't hit on no brakes. My life is out of control.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the... No.